Hi, this is the Pixel 8 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, here on the panel we should click to the settings icon, and here we got this down section with invisible options. Just to add them to your panel, you should hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. To remove some of them from here, hold the icon and drag it to the down. And to change the positions of the icons, we should hold the icon and drag it. To reset all of the changes, just tap to the right upper corner to reset button, or to save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.